Hi guys, Ali from Lovely Car Company. Hope you're well. Right, what we got here, Tesla Model 3, and it's a dual motor, guys. Absolutely stunning. It comes with this additional body kit on it, which I'll just give you a little overview of. If you guys are interested, get in touch, and I'll be able to give you more information about the car. But as for just having a little walk around, I'll give you a little nice walk around on the car. So, on the front end, you've got the typical Model 3 front bumper design, but with the additional body kit that's finished in gloss black. You've got these lower fog light surrounds, or I believe for the DRLs, and then you've got this nice, really aggressive front splitter. Again, it's on a 2020 plate, guys. So, very nice wheel design. And then you've got the little accents here, along with the camera. Upgraded wing mirror covers, finished in gloss black. This is also panoramic roof. We've got this really nice side skirt detailing with the chrome door handles. Again, really nice Tesla design. Bringing it around the back, as you can see, we've got the rear parking sensors along with the rear parking camera, and you've got this really nice additional boot-lid spoiler finished in gloss black, and this aggressive rear diffuser. You can just see the Tesla badge there. As we make our way to the side, you can just see typical Model 3 design, but with the additional body kit, it just gives it that little bit more aggressive look and stance. Again, just no marks or any dents. Really good paintwork on this one. Minimal prep is needed on this. If you guys are interested, as I said, get in touch. If you need any warranties, we can sort that out. Any finance, we can arrange that for you. We can have a look inside. So you've got these really nice pillarless design doors. Again, it's a very minimalistic design. If you've seen these Teslas, it's literally the screen and the steering wheel. There's no real dash. Very, very nice. Again, everything is controlled through the screen, and you've got the option of changing what the controls on the steering wheel does. They are heated seats, also finished in leather, black Nappa leather. They are fully adjustable as well. As you can see, the controls are down the side. You've got leather armrest, and you've got this lovely wood sort of paneling all the way across the dash. Just gives this really, really nice and elegant finish. Just show you around the back. Plenty of leg room. You've got the heating through the back as well for the passengers, and again you've got the leather carrying through the rest of the interior. Again, pillarless windows, really nice design. And you've got this stunning glass panoramic roof. Yeah, handles come out like this. Just lovely wing mirror design. So yeah, guys, get in touch if you're interested. Share it with a family member or friend. Suggest anybody else that you know that might. Suggest it to anybody else that you think might be interested. And again, if you've got part exchange, we can help you with that. Any finance that needs to be sorted, we can help you with that. Absolutely stunning. There's a lot of Model 3s on the road at the moment, guys, but if I'm honest with you, with this body kit, it just stands out from the rest. So yeah, guys, like, share and subscribe, and press the bell for the notifications so you'll get updated on any of the cars that we list. And again, guys, get in touch. ask for Ali, Lovely Car Company, and I'll be able to help you with any of your questions. Thank you so much. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.